This is for 8th class ma construction of quadrilaterals. Construction of quadrilaterals. So there are so many models, 5 models to construct a quadrilateral. So the first model is SSSSA, means 4 sides and 1 angle. Okay, so we need 5 measurements to construct a quadrilateral. So this is the first model, that is 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Then how can we construct a quadrilateral? So I am taking the first sum in exercise 3.1. So that is AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters, BC is equal to 3.5 centimeters, CD is equal to 4 centimeters, AD is equal to 5 centimeters, and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so the first step is draw a rough sketch, rough diagram. So here our quadrilateral is ABCD. So I am drawing a quadrilateral, that is ABCD, and here AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters and BC is equal to 3.5 centimeters, and next CD is equal to 4 centimeters and AD is equal to 5 centimeters, and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. So this is our rough diagram. And now how can we construct? First, draw the base of the quadrilateral with the help of a scale. So our quadrilateral base is AB. So that is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Now I am drawing this one with the help of a ruler, 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 centimeters. Okay, so now this is AB, 5.5 centimeters, and now the next step is put an angle 45 degrees at A. Okay, so this can be drawn with the help of protractor or with the help of compass. So here I am drawing with the help of protractor. So this is angle 45 degrees. So here the 40 and here 45. Okay, and it is a ray. Okay, and here the angle is 45 degrees. Okay, and next our next step is draw an arc taking B as center and draw an arc with radius 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so I am drawing this one. So 3.5 centimeters. So this is 3.5 centimeters and with the center B. Okay, this is next arc. And next with A center we have to draw 5 centimeters arc. So take the radius as 5 centimeters. Okay, and taking as center A, draw an arc on the ray. So this point of intersection of this ray and arc is taken as D. And next take the center D and with radius 4 centimeters. So take the radius as 4 centimeters and draw an arc taking the center D. Draw an arc. Okay, so this is our arc, and here these two doesn't intersect, so I am drawing an again with 3.5 centimeters radius taking B as center. So I am prolonging this one. Okay, the point of intersection of these two arcs are C. Okay, and now join BC. Join BC. Join BC and CD. CD. Okay, so write the measurements here: 3.5 centimeters, and here 4 centimeters, and here 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is our required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, and our next steps are steps of construction. Steps of construction. Okay, so what is our first step? So draw rough diagram with the given measurements. Okay, this is our first step. Second one, what is our next step? AB is equal 5.5 centimeters. Draw AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters with scale. So our next step is draw AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters with the scale, and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. So third step, taking A as center, draw an arc with radius 5 centimeters. Okay, so the point of intersection is D. And fourth step, now taking B as center, draw an arc with radius 3.5 centimeters, and also draw an arc of radius 4 centimeters. Okay, so these two meet at C. So the point of intersection is C. Okay, and last step is join BC and CD. Therefore ABCD is our quadrilateral. So in this way you can draw quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 angle is given. Okay, so this is the construction.